Hello children, how are you? This is your teacher. Today we are going to learn a new computer lesson. This is the fourth lesson in your computer book. It is Let's Learn Windows. Here we are going to learn about Windows operating system and the components of the Windows desktop. First of all, we must learn what is an operating system. Operating system is a collection of programs that helps the user to interact with the computer. Here, interact means to work with. So, an operating system is a collection of programs that helps us to work with the computer. Windows is not the only operating system that is available to interact with computers. Here I have mentioned some of the most popular operating systems for your knowledge. They are Windows by Microsoft Corporation, Mac OS by Apple, Android by Google, and Linux by Linux open source operating systems. Remember that there are many other operating systems too. Since we are going to learn about Windows operating system today, let's go through the history of this operating system. Windows operating system was developed by Microsoft Corporation. Since its first release, it has gone through many upgrades and changes. We call these upgrades and changes as versions. Now look at this image. It shows you different versions of Windows operating system. Notice the logos. It will be useful for you to know them. In 2015, Microsoft Corporation released Windows 10. It is the most popular operating system nowadays, and that's why we are going to learn about it. Windows 10 has two desktop modes. They are the tablet mode and the desktop mode. What you see in the screen is the tablet mode. This mode is useful for devices with touch screens. Here you can use your computer more like a tab without the use of the mouse and the keyboard. This is the Windows 10 desktop mode. This is the command screen that we work with. As I said, this is the command screen. This is the very first screen that appears after loading the operating system. Now, let's learn the components of this screen. You can repeat the words after me. Icons, wallpaper, taskbar. Again, icons, wallpaper, taskbar. In the taskbar, you can see the Start button, Search area, and Notification area. This is the wallpaper of your desktop. Wallpaper is the background image of the desktop. You can change this as you wish. Icons. Icons are the small pictures available in desktop that represent different programs. By double-clicking on an icon, you can open the particular program or the folder of your choice. Taskbar. It is shown at the bottom of the desktop. Here you can see the Start button, Search area, and the Notification area. Start button. This allows the user to launch programs using Start menu. Search area. You can type the name of a program, folder or a file saved in the computer to locate it faster. Notification area. You can see the current time and date and the information regarding the services and programs that are running in the background, such as the virus guard. The taskbar also has shortcuts to some of the commonly used programs. It also shows the programs that are currently running in your computer. The Start button. This button is with the Windows logo. When you click on it, it displays the Start menu and the Start screen. Here you can see a list of all the programs installed in your computer. To shut down the computer also, you have to click on this Start button. Now I am going to give you a small activity. Activity 1. Start your computer and identify the components of your desktop screen. Can you name the following? 1. 3 names of the icons in your desktop. 2. Current date and time. 3. What kind of picture is there in your wallpaper? Activity 2. Type Microsoft Word or Microsoft PowerPoint in the search box. Observe what happened after typing it. Review. Now I want you to go through the presentation again and find answers to the questions given. You can put the date, write the topic, Let's Learn Windows, and write the following questions and answer them in your computer writing book. First question is, what is an operating system? Second question is, name the most popular operating system. In the third question, you have to complete the given sentence. That is, Windows operating system is developed by. Next question is, what is known as a desktop? Last question is to explain about the given items. You may write a short description about each one of them. The question is, explain the following icons, taskbar, wallpaper, and start button. Hope you found answers for the questions. See you soon with another lesson. Thank you and take care.